Aquatic plants are an important part of marine biodiversity. Aquatic plants provide aquatic animals with oxygen and are also important sources of food and shelter. However, water pollution is becoming a more serious problem. Pollution can change the water's pH, which in turn can harm animals and plants living in the water.
Thus, we would like to find out the different pH levels of water with different conditions and how the different pH levels affect aquatic plants.
Therefore, we carry out an experiment to find out which pH level is most suitable for aquatic plant growth. Our hypothesis is duckweed live longer when pH level is 7.
We collected pond water from Amanda's condominium, tap water, salt water, and soapy water. Using the data logger from our science labs, we calculated the pH level of the different water bodies and organized our data in a graph.
We placed 40 grams of duckweed into tanks labeled A, B, C, D, containing equal amounts of water.
We then place the tanks in the same area, preferably a place where there is direct sunlight.
After a month, we calculated the number of duckweed that are still alive in each tank and organized the data in a graph. The leaves of the duckweed will turn brown when it is dead. Container A, which contains tap water, had a pH level of 6.8. Container B, which contains water from a pond in Amanda's condo, has a pH level of 7.5.
Container C, which contains soapy water, has a pH level of 10.3.
And container D, which contains salt water, has a pH level of 8.1.
The average amount of duckweed alive after a month in container A is 36.5 grams. The average amount of duckweed alive in container B is 33.5 grams.
The average amount of duckweed alive in container C is 10.5 grams.
And the average amount of duckweed alive in container D is 14.2 grams.
Thus, it can be concluded that tap water is most suitable for growth of duckweed, followed by pond water, salt water, and finally soapy water. Duckweed thrive better when the pH level is about 7, since the number of duckweeds in container A that died was the least.
pH level of more than 8.0 is not suitable for growth of duckweed, since most of the duckweed died.
The hypothesis states that the duckweed thrive best in pH level 7, and the hypothesis was right.